Yes, good boy. Free. Free. Come on. Good job. Good job, teddies. Good job. Okay, place. Yes, good boy. So we've been working for a little while with Teddy, board and train. He's finishing up his second week today. Working on some major distractions here, dogs, me walking around, open doors. He's doing great. Amazing what you can accomplish in 2 weeks. Yes, with just consistency. Good boy. Yes, you look at you. You're so pretty. Yes, yes, good boy. Free. Free. Good. Good boy. Sit. Oh, that's so good. Yes, down. Yes, good boy. Free. Good job.